Looking for a reliable way to unclog your sewer lines? The high-pressure nozzle is an effective solution that uses a powerful blast of water to clear even the toughest blockages. Its narrow design creates a focused jet of water that can penetrate deep into the pipes, cutting through any grease, roots, or debris in its path. With this gadget, you can say goodbye to clogs and enjoy uninterrupted water flow once again. It's a great tool that will save you time and make your life easier by taking away one less worry. Looking for a simple way to keep your home free of pesky bugs? The Katchy automatic indoor insect trap is an amazing solution. It features a UV light that attracts flying insects and then uses a fan to suck them in and trap them on a sticky glue board. Its design is basic and blends in with your decor, making it a user-friendly choice. Moreover, it's safe and eco-friendly, requiring no harmful chemicals. The replaceable glue board captures mosquitoes, flies, gnats, and more, and it's recommended to replace it at least once a month. This versatile insect trap can be placed almost anywhere, making it an affordable option for anyone looking to protect their family from bugs. It currently costs about $45. Next, a camping stove that can do it all. You've got to check out the BioLite Campstove 2. This cool little stove runs on wood and even charges your USB devices while you cook. Plus, it's super eco-friendly and uses less fuel than other stoves. And don't worry about cooking in the dark. It's got a built-in LED light. It cost about $150. How do you perfectly capture the essence of your imagination and bring it to life? The Spatial reality display is a 3D display that utilizes light diffraction to display a three-dimensional image to the viewer. It works with a PC and a 3D computer graphics platform to deliver glasses-free stereoscopic 3D viewing and images that pivot immediately in response to head movement. The result is visual magic, an overwhelming impression of 3D reality. The Spatial reality display has an uncanny ability to convey object details and textures thanks to a native 4K display panel featuring over 8 million pixels in total. To optimize the immersive 3D experience, Sony applies a unique masked bezel edge. About half the pixels are delivered to each eye. This allows for a wider field of view and reduces the feeling of wearing goggles. Are you a plant lover but struggle to keep your green friends happy and healthy, especially when you're away? Well, worry no more. This ingenious device is here to be your plant's caretaker and ensure they thrive even in your absence. Imagine going on vacation or having a busy schedule without worrying about whether your plants are getting enough water or sunlight. The smart plant sensor acts as a vigilant guardian, ensuring your plant's needs are met even when you can't be physically present. It monitors soil moisture, light levels, and temperature to provide you with real-time data and alerts. Introducing the Jetson, a revolutionary personal aircraft that's both sleek and lightweight. With 8 high-powered motors and propellers, the Jetson's propulsion system is super powerful, making flying a breeze. This eVTOL is the first affordable model on the market. And the best part is that you don't need a pilot's license to fly it in the United States. Its unique flight computer is designed to make flying a piece of cake. You'll use your left hand to control altitude and your right hand to steer, which makes it an intuitive system that can turn anyone into a pilot in just 5 minutes or less. The Jetson one is equipped with a state-of-the-art safety cell that's inspired by race cars, so you can fly with peace of mind. Even if one motor fails, the safety cell provides protection and allows the aircraft to continue flying. Additionally, the Jetson one comes with an auto-landing function and multiple safety features to ensure your safety in case of an emergency. And the price? It's a little less than $100,000. Are you a coffee lover who can't survive without your daily dose of caffeine? Well, now you can have freshly brewed espresso anywhere, anytime. This compact gadget allows you to enjoy a rich cup of coffee on the go. The portable espresso maker is a compact and lightweight device that ensures you never have to compromise on the quality and taste of your coffee, no matter where you are. Whether you're camping, traveling, or simply in need of a pick-me-up during a hectic day, this gadget has got you covered. So get ready to have all your coffee dreams come true with this amazing gadget that lets you make espresso anywhere. Get ready to revolutionize your fitness routine and say goodbye to monotonous workouts. This cutting-edge gadget merges the world of virtual reality with exercise, bringing a whole new level of excitement and immersion to your fitness sessions. It's a whole new way to stay fit and have fun at the same time. Imagine stepping onto an exercise bike and being transported to breathtaking virtual landscapes, exotic locations, or even competing in exhilarating virtual races. The virtual reality exercise bike takes your workouts to a whole new dimension, making fitness an incredibly fun and immersive experience. If you are a racing game enthusiast, the Logitech Playseat trophy is a must-have accessory for an immersive and realistic gaming experience. It is a high-end gaming chair designed for comfort and style. It features a sturdy steel frame, adjustable armrests, and a padded seat and backrest for long-lasting support. The chair also has a built-in speaker system and a USB port for charging your devices. When you combine all of this with a lot of simulation racing games, you'll have an immersive and exhilarating gaming experience. The smart backpack is more than just a stylish and durable bag. It's packed with intelligent features that make it the ultimate travel companion. First and foremost, it comes equipped with built-in charging ports, allowing you to conveniently charge your devices on the go. No more scrambling for outlets or worrying about running out of battery during your travels. This high-tech backpack features built-in charging ports, a GPS tracker, and even an anti-theft system. It's perfect for tech-savvy travelers who want to keep their belongings safe and powered up. One of the standout features of this gadget is its anti-theft system. It's designed with your security in mind, featuring hidden zippers, slash-proof materials, and even a built-in lock. Your valuable belongings will be well protected, and you can explore with confidence. Wireless smartphone printer. In today's digital age, we capture countless precious moments on our smartphones, but often those memories remain trapped in the digital realm. What if there was a way to bring those memories to life, to hold them in your hands and create tangible keepsakes? With this ingenious gadget, you can transform your smartphone into a portable photo lab. It's as simple as selecting your desired photo, connecting your smartphone to the printer wirelessly, and within seconds, you'll have a physical copy of your cherished memory. No more waiting for prints at the store or having to order them online. Are you in search of an efficient lighting solution for your garage? You might want to feel the Nebo High Bright LED garage light. This product emits 1,200 lumens of light, which is more than enough to brighten up your garage for various purposes such as vehicle repairs, inventory storage, or general illumination. Also, this LED bulb is designed to last, with a lifespan of up to 50,000 hours. And when you consider that your electrical bill will not increase, we can say that's a wise investment for any garage owner. Wine enthusiasts rejoice! Introducing the air pressure wine bottle opener, the ultimate must-have tool for all wine lovers out there. With this device, you can effortlessly open your favorite bottle of wine in just a matter of seconds. Here's how it works. Simply insert the needle into the cork, pump a few times, and watch as the air pressure effortlessly pushes the cork out of the bottle. It's that easy. This tool is not only simple and efficient, but it's also a great conversation starter at dinner parties. The Angel View mirror is a rear-view mirror with a wider angle than the typical small and flat ones that often come with cars. Its curved glass allows for an extended view, making it easier to see beyond your car's rear windows. The mirror is almost 12 inches long and has a convex shape that enables you to see your blind spots and the lanes behind you. With this mirror, you won't have to turn your head in all directions to check your blind spot before changing lanes. Instead, one glance at the mirror will provide you with a full view of the lanes behind you. However, we still recommend checking your blind spot before merging or changing lanes. The mirror's 160-degree view significantly improves your awareness of the cars around you and your safety while driving. The smart home herb garden is designed for those who want to enjoy the benefits of homegrown herbs without the hassle of traditional gardening. This compact and stylish unit fits perfectly in your kitchen, allowing you to have a thriving herb garden no matter the size of your space. If you're a food enthusiast who loves the taste and aroma of fresh herbs but struggles with keeping plants alive, this gadget is about to revolutionize your kitchen. Say goodbye to wilting herbs and hello to a self-contained automated system that takes care of your herbs, providing optimal growing conditions right at your fingertips. Smart water bottle. Staying hydrated is essential for our overall health and well-being, but sometimes we forget to drink enough water throughout the day. That's where this intelligent water bottle comes to the rescue, ensuring you stay hydrated and on top of your water intake. So this is not your ordinary water bottle. It's equipped with smart technology that tracks your water consumption and sends reminders to keep you on track. By syncing with your smartphone, it provides personalized hydration goals based on factors like your age, weight, and activity level. The Lizard Flare Light is a remarkable innovation designed to ensure maximum visibility in emergencies. It boasts an ultra-bright 360-degree LED flare that can be seen from almost a mile away. Its waterproof and weatherproof design guarantees its durability in harsh weather conditions. Furthermore, the Lizard Flare Light has 9 different flashing patterns, providing users with a wide range of options depending on their specific needs. It is reliable and effective in all situations because, unlike conventional flares, it is electric and won't go out in the rain or wind. The M100 is an outstanding screwdriver that can be carried with ease. It features a composite frame suitable for holding 2 1/4-inch tool bits and a steel-reinforced screwdriver socket capable of handling ample torque for tightening various items. The M100 is available in a compact, portable set that includes 6 versatile wrenches ranging from 5 to 14 millimeters. To use, simply position the wrench over the nut and slide it until you achieve the desired size. The M100 boasts a robust 420 stainless steel core, perfect for tackling demanding tasks. Lastly, it even incorporates a built-in bottle opener, allowing you to enjoy a refreshing beverage once your work is complete. Prepare to step into the future with this innovative piece of technology that goes beyond its conventional purpose. The smart mirror not only reflects your image, but also brings a whole new level of functionality and convenience to your daily routine. This futuristic gadget transforms your ordinary mirror into a hub of information, seamlessly integrating with your smart devices and connecting you to the digital world. With a simple glance, you can stay informed, organized, and motivated, all while going about your morning routine. Solar-powered phone charger. In our increasingly connected world, running out of battery on our smartphones can be a major inconvenience. But fear not, because this handy gadget harnesses the power of the sun to keep your phone charged wherever you go. It's not only eco-friendly, but also incredibly convenient for outdoor enthusiasts, travelers, and anyone who spends a lot of time on the go. It is a portable and compact device that utilizes solar panels to convert sunlight into usable energy. With this gadget in your pocket or bag, you'll never have to worry about finding an electrical outlet or carrying around bulky power banks again. The RAK Magnetic pickup tool with LED lights is a handy and adaptable tool that's ideal for electronics and mechanics enthusiasts. It has a magnetic pickup head that can retrieve tiny parts like screws, nuts, and bolts from cramped spaces. The LED lights illuminate the area for clearer visibility, which helps locate and recover components. The tool is user-friendly and can be operated with one hand, making it a fantastic addition to any electronics repair kit. Get ready to enjoy a huge screen experience, no matter where you are with the super convenient Freestyle projector. It automatically adjusts the screen size, levels the image, and focuses it perfectly for you. Plus, you can use the Samsung Smart TV features to enjoy endless entertainment options and immerse yourself in the audio with premium 360-degree sound. Adjust brightness and color settings with your voice and soak up all the vibrant high-definition glory on a screen up to 100 inches. These add a touch of intelligence and convenience to a common everyday item. Introducing the Smart Wallet. Say goodbye to the days of fumbling through your wallet to find the right card. This innovative gadget connects to your smartphone and revolutionizes the way you manage and access your cards. The Smart Wallet is designed for the tech-savvy individual who seeks efficiency and security. With this intelligent wallet, you can bid farewell to the hassle of carrying multiple cards and constantly sifting through them. Instead, you can streamline your wallet experience with a simple tap on your smartphone. Next, a smart doorbell. This innovative doorbell not only lets you see and speak to visitors remotely, but it also comes with facial recognition technology, so you can know who's at your door even before answering. It's a game changer for home security. The smart doorbell revolutionizes the way we interact with our visitors. With its integrated camera and microphone, you can see and speak to anyone at your doorstep, even when you're not at home. Whether you're in the office, running errands, or simply relaxing on the couch, you're always connected to your front door. This added convenience and security gives you peace of mind knowing that you can monitor your home's entrance from anywhere. Plus, the device's motion detection feature alerts you when someone is approaching your door, making it an essential tool for keeping your home safe. Think back to the last time you were tackling a home improvement project and required a precise tool size to fix the problem. The Red Dog socket is a versatile tool that can accommodate most fasteners such as nuts, bolts, and screws of various sizes and shapes. It's a compact product about the size of a battery that combines many socket tools and is compatible with most socket wrenches and power drills. At first, it may sound too good to be true, but the way it operates is genuinely brilliant. This tiny gadget is packed with dozens of steel pins that can wrap around almost any object, whether it's a bolt, drill bit, screw, or flower hook. With the assistance of these pins, it can grasp onto anything you require it to and hold on tightly. After experimenting with it on several different types of fasteners, we discovered that it genuinely won't let go until you need it to.